Alright, today, boys and girls, we're going to continue looking at our word problems, and we're going to continue with those change unknown, those additional word problems, change unknown. So before we begin, let's set up and think about our equation that we're going to set up. So I know that I have a start. I know that since it's an additional word problem, I'm going to add something, and then that will change my start, and that is going to equal a result. But when I think about this problem, I want to think about, I got to read through my word problem and think about what I know. So I'm going to read through the word problem, and I'm going to stop after I read it, and I want you to see if you can't fill in these parts and think, what is it that's the unknown? What don't I know? Okay, so if I have, Jessica had 35 marbles. She got some more marbles for her birthday. Now she has 76 marbles. How many marbles did Jessica get for her birthday? So just take about the next 30 seconds and just think, do we have a start? Do you have a change? Do you have a result? What would you fill in each blank? Alright, so in that 30 seconds, you had time to rethink and think about what you know. And so I'm going to stop and think and look at each sentence about what I know. So it says Jessica had 35 marbles. So I know that she's starting with, it's giving me an amount. So she had 35 marbles. So I'm going to put that in my start. Then it says she got some more marbles for her birthday. Well, in that sentence, it doesn't ever give me an actual amount. It just says she got some marbles. So I don't actually know how many marbles she got. So I don't know how many she was added to the 35 she has. So I'm going to put a question mark when we put that symbol for that unknown number that we don't know. It says now she has 76 marbles. So I know that's how many she has in all. Altogether, she ended with 76 marbles. And my question is, it wants to know how many marbles did Jessica get for her birthday. So I have to figure out, she started out with 35. She got some for her birthday, and now she has 76. How many did she get for her birthday? Well, I need to make sure that I'm rearranging my equation so that I can solve it. And if you remember, what always goes here in this equals, we always want to put our question mark, our unknown, in that problem. So in this case, I'm thinking that I'm going to need to take her result and put it at the start, and then I'm going to take away what she started with to see if I can't get that change. So it is an addition word problem. We set it up with an addition, but we're going to have to complete a subtraction problem to figure out what she got for her birthday. Now you can use any of the strategies. Let's remember, so we did part whole. We have done decomposing. We've done a number line. And we've also done a base 10 picture. I think I'm going to use my decomposing this time to try and figure this out. So if I know my decomposing, it's 70 plus 6. And then for 35, it's 30 plus 5. But in this case, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to take away to figure out. So I know that if I have 6 take away 5, I'm going to be left with 1. And I know if I have 70 and I take away 30, so I have 7 tens and I take 3 tens away, I'm going to be left with 4 tens, which is the same as 40. So my answer would be 40 plus 1, and that would equal 41. Well, in this case, I'm going to use my part whole to check my answer. So I know that I have two parts. I have, it looks like 35 and 41, and I'm going to add those together to see if I get 76. So I know that 5 and 1 is 6 ones, and 3 tens and 4 tens is 7. So I get 76, which is what I wanted my result to be. So I use that part whole to check my decomposing. So I also need to do that solution sentence. So my solution sentence is when I answer the question. So in this case, the question was, how many marbles did Jessica get for her birthday? So I would say Jessica got 41 marbles for her birthday. And that is another way that I would solve that change unknown in my word problem. And don't forget that solution sentence, and think about, remember, we've worked on these 4 strategies, but you've used all 4 of them at this point, and you want to pick one that you're comfortable working with to help you solve these problems. All right, do some great thinking today.